We are here at a Sandy County Fair. There's plenty of food stalls here that you can pick. And so many people. Lots of rides. Bring your family, bring your kids here. Paul is buying an ice pop for 25 cents each. So here they. He likes ice pop. So bring your family and kids to enjoy the rides here and enjoy the food. And there's corn, free corn. And of course, enjoy. Gups. Alright, there's Paul's favorite.
This might be a mango.
Mango flavor?
Yeah.
Oh. What's the red one?
Those ones are just strawberry.
Alright. Okay, Paul is here. Alright, bye everybody. God bless. Enjoy.